Hey everybody, this is Stacy, and I just want to give you a little preview. If you are part of our intern academy, and if you are one of my students, you already are, but on a deeper level. But Intern Academy is a self-paced program, all the trades, everything you need to know from the specifications all the way to project management, and there are tons of videos, and you go through step by step. And so part of the Intern Academy, which I call the Harvard of the construction world, because honestly, I know that much. That's all I can say. I mean, what else can I say? And my goal as a mother of three, grandmother of four, all I can possibly do with the rest of my life is to enlighten people to the things that I've learned. It doesn't hurt me to teach you, but it's not for free. And shame on the hundreds of thousands of you. Now that I've have content out there where honestly African Americans are very appreciative of the content that I happen to be showing on my construction website. I confuse a lot of people, but I am an African American who happens to be an expert, a queen in construction. And I just want to thank the at least 1,600 of you who have subscribed to my channel, have no interest at all in construction, but you subscribe because you see the mutual love that we all have for our culture and how they are trying to strip it from us. But we won't let that happen. Oh, no, we won't. And so, for those of you who have been watching me for at least 3 years and just can't find it in your bones to subscribe, well, you won't be getting any more valuable content. But what you can do is sign up to any one of my classes, and Intern Academy is just the thing for you. Now, if you are a plumber, what I'm going to have on there, what we're going to go through, is something that is kind of crazy. I mean, it was even crazy for me. Okay, but I'm teaching a class and a very experienced plumber who's a great plumber, but he hasn't been trained as an estimator. So he thinks like a plumber when we're doing the estimates, which is great for me, but not for him. And so we've been going through this to kind of give it an idea on step 1, step 2, step 3, when you have something of this nature and what you do. Okay, so this is a 3-story something or other. What is it? Oh, yeah. It's Wood Spring Suites, 3 stories from the ground up. And so we're going over the plumbing. And basically, what we've discovered in the set of plans is that everything horizontal measures are pretty much all on the first floor. And from that point, everything's in a riser. And it's a very crazy riser, let me tell you. It's a crazy set of plans where they, you know, you got to think about it for a while on how you're going to approach how to do this and not spin your wheels and not waste a whole bunch of time. And so that's what we go through. That's what I went through with my client, and I'm almost certain that we'll have it. But yeah, it's just a bunch of crazy call outs, and each of the things you got to go to the riser, and the riser is crazy. Risers aren't supposed to be that crazy, okay? But they are. And if we don't accurately measure the vertical measures, we're going to drastically underbid this project. And so, yeah, in Intern Academy, I show you step 1, step 2, step 3 on something like this, whether you're doing something like this or you're just installing a bathroom in somebody's house. You will be able to do it in a proper way, determine accurate man-hour totals, and be able to explain what you did and be able to communicate to the client. Hey, some of these operations that I have to perform will be more than the base rate because of the productivity factors. I have to go in the attic. I have to go in the basement. It's access, okay? How much access do you have? Ease of access really determines productivity. Well, and really, not, I mean, years too, right? Because the longer we've done something, the better, you know, that we do it. But every construction job assumes that you are professional and you can do the work at the standard rate. You're not a novice, you're not new, you may not be a master, but base rates and all that and productivity rates and factors, it's not based on you being a master. It's being proficient at your job with at least 5 to 6 years experience. And so if you're getting those numbers from the cost book, you're in line. But yeah, there are other situations. This is a 3-story building. So anything above the 2nd story is going to be more. Well, where normal is a productivity factor of 1. Well, what is 3 stories? How much do I add to that base rate? 10%, 5%, 50%? Okay, and so in Intern Academy, this is what you learn, because I find the GCs really hope that you don't, that they want to hire you. If you have a license in insurance, they're going to hire you in definitely 4 or less years, because they just try to take advantage of the things that you don't know. And it's okay not to know something, but you'll learn over time. And I became an expert estimator over time. And so, yeah, after 15 years of looking at sets of plans because I'm self-employed, 7 days a week, I'm an expert. And I'd love to make you an expert too. So, Intern Academy, I consider it the hard hat environment, the Harvard of the hard hat environment. Okay, you're going to learn like a professional. You're going to know what you should know, and nobody's going to be able to take advantage of you. If you've watched me for a while and you see my content, I'm all about nobody taking advantage of you. So thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to join, subscribe, and if you know a junior high or high school person that may be interested in a construction field, whether it's in the office or physically working a trade, please send them to me. Let me know, because we are taking in donations to sponsor those young people and to help people right here in our country succeed. So thanks a lot, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.